Hi, I'm Amanda Taylor, and I'm a research engineer here at CAMI. What I'm standing on right here is actually what's called an impact sled. This is where we do research to protect people in aircraft accidents. You can see not only do we have the seat that we're going to test or whatever we're going to test, but we also have cameras on both sides as well as enough light to light up a football stadium. And the whole reason that we have all of that is because an aircraft impact happens in about 200 milliseconds, which is about as fast as you can blink your eye, which means that we need to be recording the video at about 1,000 frames per second. And in order to do that, you need a lot of light and really special cameras. Now, we can capture the impact, but we need to know how that impact's affecting the occupant. And that's where these guys come in and do the hard work for us. These are anthropomorphic test devices, or ATDs. These guys stand in, and in particular, these three larger ones represent what we call a 50th percentile male. So he's right about what your average man would be. And just in case you were curious, that means he's about 5'9" tall and weighs about 170 pounds. So inside these test dummies, we have all kinds of instrumentation that'll tell us how fast the head was hit, how hard the head was hit, how much flexion we got in the neck or the low spine or even the legs to tell us what kind of injuries we would expect through these guys. The special thing about test dummies is that they're strong enough to go through a crash test, but they're biofidelic enough, which means human-like, enough to tell us how that would have injured an occupant. And just like one size doesn't fit all with people, the same holds true for test dummies. So while much of the work is done by these guys, we also have smaller test dummies as well as bigger test dummies, so that we're not just looking at one size, we're looking at all different sizes. And isn't that neat that all of this work takes place right here in Oklahoma City at CAMI?